Hi my dears! Today I will show you how to make a bucket hat from very small denim pieces. As you see, I choose all the leftover from other projects, and I really have some very small pieces like this one. Also, for the other option, I will show you how to make it from fabric scraps. I have small pieces like this. It's kind of georgette. It's a very fine fabric. Also I have bigger pieces, but take a look. This one. Also bigger pieces like this, and small pieces like this. Everything will be used, and I will use my pattern here. It's made from 3 pieces. This is the visor part, the middle part, and this is the top here. And for the project today, I will use another material. But first, girls, don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions, I'm here for you. If you like my videos, leave likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. You will make me very happy and more creative. So for this project, I will use this material. It's kind of paper fabric, but with glue on the other side. It's very sticky. You can find this material in the fabric shops, but without the paper. It's iron-on material, so you have to heat it to stick it. I will try for the first time this option without sticking. Actually, I will stick it, but without the iron. I will stick the fabrics on top of the sticky part. I will show you. First, I have to cut my pattern. I will start to draw the patterns like this. And I will make them the total circumference of the hat is 56 inches. It's a large size hat, but for my customers it's a very comfortable size. So when I draw it like this, I will cut it to have enough place to stitch it. Just like this. I will need 2 pieces like this. Also, this piece is done. I will need 2 pieces like this. Let's make it here. And I will need one piece like this. Here it will be enough. I will just cut the piece I need because I have a big roll, so it will be uncomfortable to cut the pieces. And like this, I'm ready. These are the pieces only for the first hat. It will be made of denim, the other hat will be made of the other floral fabrics. So, like this, it has to be cut. The other pieces, a little bit place for stitching. Now we have all the pieces we need. So this is the top part, the middle part, 2 pieces, and the visor part, 2 pieces. And I choose a little bit bigger pieces here, the smallest are here, just to see what will happen, because really I'm doing this for the first time. So now let's start from here. I have to peel off this paper part, and let's do it. Oh, it's really sticky. So I want to stick both parts because it will be one piece in the end. So let's make it. Oh my god, it's sticky, really sticky. Yeah, it's okay like this. So now I had to start to add. It will be a mess. So it's really a little bit uncomfortable, maybe because I peeled all the paper at once. So let's start here like this. It's really good. What else? Here, yeah, like this. If I add it here, we will trim it, so don't worry. Yeah, like this. I have bigger piece here, maybe here. Yeah, it's okay. This one, it could be here. No, like this. Okay, here, this one. I have another piece here. I will make it like this. Really, it's a patchwork, but sticky patchwork. Like this. And this way I have to continue. But believe me, once the pieces are sticked, they don't move. My dears, I will show you what I did. For now, I'm really happy. And take a look. This is the visor part, like this, or not. Yeah. So when I stitch it, I will trim it. But for now, as you see, no need of pins. That's the most important thing. So I just add the pieces. They stick very well. No need of iron. And for example, here I have a place where the brown paper is seen, but when I stitch all the pieces, I will make some patches. No problems. So for now, it's okay. This is the one part. This is the other part, the middle part, the same. Here, this one is okay. I will stitch it because the other parts are sticked very well. Take a look. Nothing is falling, no need of pins. And also here I will add another piece when I stitch all the pieces together. Maybe I will use my triple zigzag, I will see. And also this is the top part, like this. I really used small pieces here, but it's okay, it's stick together, I'm happy. Or I will use a straight stitching for all the pieces. I will make some try and I will show you. Now I will show you the second hat with the fabrics. And take a look here. Yeah, this is the visor part. Really colorful with roses. Nothing is falling, like this. And I will stitch the pieces. I think it will be okay. So this is the one piece. This is the middle piece. Again, roses, like this. Everything it's on their places. Here a little bit moving, but let's see. Yeah, it's because here I don't have a glue. It will be on top of it. That's okay. Also, the upper part, the round piece, like this. Here I have a brown paper scene. I will add something. Maybe I will use some lace pieces or sequins. Why not? I will decide. First, I have to stitch all the pieces as a base for our hats.